Hi, I'm Joe, owner of Windermere Pool Services. There are many reasons why you might want to drain water from your pool, the most obvious one being that a hurricane is on its way. This video is here to show you how to do that. If you're going to drain the water below the skimmer opening on the side of your pool, you're going to need to close the skimmer valve. So, step 1, shut off the pool pump. Step 2, close the skimmer valve so that air isn't sucked into the motor. Step 3, turn the multi-port valve to waste and then roll out your backwash hose into the area where the water is going to drain. Step 4, turn the pump back on so that the water can drain through the backwash hose down to the water level in the pool that you require. Step 1, we're going to make sure that the pump motor is running. Step 2, we're going to close the skimmer if we intend to drain the water below the skimmer level. Step 3, we're going to attach a hose to the hose spigot. Step 4, we're going to pull the hose out to the location where we want to drain water. And then step 5, we're going to open the spigot so that water comes out of the hose. There is a third option to drain water from your pool. It's our least preferred option, but it's there nonetheless. We're going to close the skimmer if we intend to drain the water below the skimmer level. All filter systems have a drain plug in the bottom, and all you need to do is remove this plug and water will come out of there. The only problem is you have no control over where the water is going to go, so you are going to flood the immediate area around your pool equipment, and that brings its own problems. But if you need to, this is going to help you in an emergency. You simply unscrew this plug and there goes the water.